Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long since I've made a video. I had a lot going on, guys, but I'm back now. So yeah, my hair may look a bit crazy because it's like a wash and go. I didn't get to blow dry my hair today because I'm gonna do my little mini twist. So yeah guys, stay tuned to see how I achieve my mini twist. So yeah guys, so I'm going to be using my Michel Curl and Smoothie to moisturize my hair to have a nice smooth twist. And I'm also going to use my Eco Styler, the pink one. It's the curl and wave one. It's really good. It really moisturizes your hair. So now I'm going to part the back of my hair into small sections so I can do my mini twists. So here I'm parting the back of my hair in a small section. Now I'm using my hairband to catch up the remainder hair that I don't want to get involved with the back. So I'm parting this section, combing it through. Now I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel to moisturize this section. So now I'm applying my curl smoothie from Miel. Then I'm gonna go ahead and brush through my hair, this section. So now I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair. It's so simple, guys. You literally just follow a motion, put two hairs apart and just twist it. It's very simple. As you can see, it's very moisturized. When you see all that white stuff along your twist, you know your hair is fully moisturized. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take another section, apply my Eco Styler gel to it. Then I'm going to use my Michel Curl Smoothie. Look at all that moisture. Now I'm detangling this section. And then I'm gonna do my twist. So yeah, it's the same procedure as the last. You just literally follow a little motion and do your twist. And yeah. Got two done. Now we're gonna go in and do the third section. And as you can see, I'm doing the same thing. Comb through, detangle. Look at that curl, guys. Now I'm gonna do my twists again. Same thing as the other two. Like, I find this so therapeutic. And I've noticed that this side of my hair is a lot longer than the other side, which is really weird, but yeah, it does happen. So I'm going to take another section, doing my little parting, and I'm gonna put this back up and have my section out. Now I'm detangling it with my comb to get it nice and smooth. So I'm going to part this section here, applying my Eco Styler. Then I'm going to go ahead and twist. I didn't apply any curl smoothie to this section because I feel like the Eco Styler on its own is very moisturizing. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to be adding any more curl smoothie. But yeah guys, look at that. Then I'm going to apply the same procedure to this one. Detangle this section, and then I'm going to do my twist. Literally love doing this, guys. Like it just have a nice little feeling, as I said before, a therapeutic feeling, like twisting my hair, applying my products. It's just a nice little soothing feeling. This is quite time consuming, however it's not as bad because I didn't do them as small. If I did them a lot smaller, this would have taken a whole load of time. So yeah, it is quite time consuming, but not as bad as my sections are quite medium sized. So yeah, I'm at the front now. I thought I would just fast forward to the front section, show you what it looks like now. Guys, don't judge me for the parting. I was just more focused on doing my twists because these twists be looking super cute. Like, I wasn't even thinking about the parting. I was just thinking about the twist itself, and I feel like they look super cute, and it's not even done yet. So yeah, I'm doing the same thing, doing my little twists, you know. I'm really enjoying this style. I really enjoyed doing it. Very therapeutic. So with this section, I'm applying my Eco Styler to the root so that I can get a better grip when I'm about to do my twists, and so that the front of my hair can look super cute too. So yeah, now I'm twisting it. And after this, guys, I'm going to show you how it looks. Like, I'm not going to show you how I do the other section. I'm going to do it off camera because it's pretty much the same procedure. So yeah, guys. And there you have it, guys. All done. Super cute. Look at those twists. They look super bouncy, super cute, super juicy. Like, I love this hairstyle. It's so simple, but yet it's so cute. Like, I literally feel so cute. Like, the other side, I put it around so that I can just have these twists on one side. But yeah, look at those twists, guys. Look at them. Like, aren't they cute? I feel so cute. I just can't stop touching them. So there you have it, guys, my mini twist. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and I shall see you in my next one.